Every day, 1 in 10 Indians is diagnosed with diabetes. But did you know that not every treatment plan works the same for everyone? Take Maya, for example. She struggled for 5 years to find a diabetes management plan that actually worked for her. Then she discovered the Yodha PGX test. This test helped Maya to find which medications suit her best by analyzing her DNA. Now, her treatment is as unique as she is. With Yodha PGX test, Maya can finally beat diabetes with a plan made just for her. The Yodha PGX test became the key to a healthier future and peace of mind in her diabetes journey.